prune it off. Going to do in this. What we're going to do is to manner. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. This is Stagro Farms. Today's video is very interesting. As usual, we shall be reacting to one of my special videos in my banana farm. So I want to bring a general knowledge of what we do in Stagro Farm. These practices will help you maximize not just your yield but the general income, because when you treat your banana farm well, the banana will treat you well by giving you good yield and then good market value. So we're going to be reacting to this video and I'm going to share some of the practices which I carried out here. Let's watch this video. I'm going to make a general tour of the farm to see how well they are doing and then to see what we can do. Today we're also going to check our well, because we've dug our well which will serve as an irrigation to the banana plant. So it has been raining, so we want to check the level of water, the actual volume of water inside, because we dug our well very late and we thought rain is going to go out soon, but fortunately we still have rain. Okay guys, this is our well. So what we're going to do now, we want to check the level of water inside our well to know if the water will be enough to serve us for the rainy season. And of course, we just had few rains after we dug our well. Our well was completed, I think, 7th of October. Today is 16th of November, sorry. So we're going to check. We've had few rains after the well was completed. So we want to check the level of water inside and then do our calculation. We're going to carry out mathematics today to see how many gallons of water we have here. The total volume of the well is actually 7,500 gallons. So this is what will happen now is that we're going to put this stick inside. We're going to take the level of water and then that will help us do our mathematical calculation. So from here to here. So we're going to run our calculation so you see how many gallons we have there. So, and another thing is that we're going to teach you how to actually run that calculation. If you have a cylindrical well like this, so it will help you run your calculation if you have a well like this, to know how many gallons of water you have in your well. Like I said, our well is 20 feet deep, 8 feet wide. Hello my people, welcome to Stagro Farm. The thing is, if you want to actually prune your leaves, this is the best way, the best practice you are going to apply in pruning your leaves. You just cut it off in this manner and leave this. So let's carry out this way. Okay, so what you're going to do, you can see this is popularly known as sigatoka. So we're not going to cut off this leaf. What we're going to do is to actually prune it off in this manner and cut it off this way. So that's the best practice you can actually as well. This is another one. So we're going to do trim it off. Got it. Giving you the best practice. You can see the one we've already carried out. You can see this. You can as well do this. Yes. Okay. So let's actually look at some. Okay. As well. Cutting off this way. So this is the best practice you can actually give to your banana in terms of leaf pruning. Why do you actually cut off your banana in that? Why do you cut off the leaves in that manner, leaving this one? Of course, these leaves, they actually they help in transportation of the nutrient from the root. So you don't want to lose this leaf. And secondly, most importantly, in as much as you don't want to lose this leaf because they help in distributing the nutrients to the plant to help in growth, you also want to leave this because if you look here, the one we've already cut off, when you cut them off in this manner, when they will easily decay and help to harbor diseases and pests inside the leaf stalk. But if you leave them like this, they won't decay. Trim it off. What you do is actually trim it off in this manner. You don't cut this one because they will help to harbor disease. If you cut them out from here, they will easily decay like this one. And you see, once they decay, they will help to harbor diseases like this one. They'll help to harbor diseases. So you don't want to actually cut them off and then they'll start decaying and then harboring pests and diseases in there. So you leave them this way and trim off your sigatoka disease just like we have here. All you want to do is just trim it off and then leave this stalk. That's the best practice. So like I said, our banana plant is actually 5 months old and they're actually doing very well. So we're giving out the best practice to the banana. So there's another one. So you can see. So